Hello, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Unang-una, ang bigat pala ng no? Ang bigat ng trophy nyo. This is my first. Thank you so much po, Famas. Nung tinanggap ko ang pelikulang A Very Good Girl, hindi naman po ako nag-expect ng any awards or nominations. Tinanggap ko ang proyektong ito dahil naniwala po ako sa material at nagtiwala ako sa mga kasama ko. Siguro, umaapaw lang po yung saya kasi nabigyan ako ng pagkakataon na gumawa ng ganitong klaseng pelikula at minahal at sinuportahan siya ng mga tao. So maraming salamat po. This movie, A Very Good Girl, is a product of hard work, love, and passion. So maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumuporta, sa lahat ng nagbigay ng oras, at sa lahat ng nagmahal sa pelikula namin. Sana sa lahat ng mercy at filo sa mundo, sana nabigyan ko kayo lahat ng boses. And of course, gusto ko din i-share tong award na to sa lahat ng bumubuo ng A Very Good Girl, my Star Cinema family, my co-actor, Miss Dolly De Leon, our director, Peter San Vargas. Oh my God, B, we did it! At sa lahat ng sumuporta at sumusuporta sa akin hanggang ngayon, maraming salamat. Your Very Good Girl is a very happy girl tonight. Thank you so much, Famas. And congratulations din sa lahat po ng nominees. You have my respect. Magandang gabi po. Thank you.
Tinanghal si Catherine Bernardo bilang Best Actress sa 72 Andy Famas Awards para sa kanyang natatanging pagganap bilang Philo Mercy sa pelikulang A Very Good Girl. Ang prestihiyosong pagkilala ay isang patunay ng kanyang husay sa pag-arte. Agad na inulan ng pagbati si Catherine sa kanyang pagkapanalo, at sa katunayan, trending ang kanyang pangalan sa X. Matatandaang si Bernardo ay nanalo rin bilang Best Actress sa 35 VHT Star Awards for Movies at Entertainment Editors' Choice Awards for Movies para sa kanyang pagganap sa The House of Us. Nakamit din niya ang parehong parangal para sa kanyang papel sa Barcelona, A Love Untold, noong 2017. Ang mga tagumpay na ito ay nagpapakita ng walang kapantay na talento at dedikasyon ni Catherine Bernardo sa kanyang propesyon.
Famas, congratulations po sa inyo, mabuhay po kayo. Best Actress, Catherine Bernardo! Very good girl!
Hello, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Unang-una, ang bigat pala ng no? Ang bigat ng trophy nyo. This is my first. Thank you so much po, Famas. Nung tinanggap ko ang pelikulang A Very Good Girl, hindi naman po ako nag-expect ng any awards or nominations. Tinanggap ko ang proyektong ito dahil naniwala po ako sa material at nagtiwala ako sa mga kasama ko. Siguro, umaapaw lang po yung saya kasi nabigyan ako ng pagkakataon na gumawa ng ganitong klaseng pelikula at minahal at sinuportahan siya ng mga tao. So maraming salamat po. This movie, A Very Good Girl, is a product of hard work, love, and passion. So maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumuporta.
One day you said, Mama, Papa, gusto ko mag-artista, wala naman sa family natin ang artista. Pero bata ka palang alam mo na ang gusto mong gawin. And now here we are. Reflecting through your journey, I can say na sobrang proud kami sa'yo, anak. Remembering how you faced every struggle and challenge na napagdaanan mo natin as family. Watching you overcome everything and grow into an amazing person you are has been one of our greatest blessings. I never knew how strong you are until I saw your determination and how you bounce back every after fall. You remain positive and kind to the world no matter what. If you have a dream, never let go of it. Don't give up till the end. Make yourself your own competition. Always keep that spirit that brought you this far. Andito lang kami para sa'yo. You have earned every bit of this success, finally. Congratulations, our best actress. We love you, anak.
Eugene Domingo in Betty and Dorette.
Best Actress! Congratulations po sa inyo, nabuhay po kayo. Best Actress, Catherine Bernardo!
Okay, thank you.
Uy, sexy lang! Kailangan na natin! Kailangan na ano sa
Piolo Pascual was declared the winner of the Filipino Academy of Movie Arts and Sciences, FAMAS, Best Actor Award for 2024. The famous awards night was held at the Fiesta Pavilion in the Posh Manila Hotel. Papa P won the award for his successful portrayal of the character of Juan Severino Malari in the movie Malari, which is a horror drama film based on a true story. The main character in the story, Juan Severino Malari, was a Filipino Catholic priest from the 1800s, who is said to be the country's first documented serial killer. After being declared as the winner of the award, Piolo climbed up the stage and proceeded to express his gratitude to the award-giving body, as well as his co-workers in the said film. In a post on the social media platform X, the page All-Star Magic showed Piolo making a speech after receiving the award. The recent FAMAS Best Actor Award, which he won for his portrayal in Malari, was his second Best Actor Award from the organization. His first FAMAS Best Actor Award was for his portrayal of the character of Lino in the 2004 movie Milan.
May isang pelikula po sila mag-together. Lahat sila.
Thank you.